Hey everybody, welcome back into the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today we're looking at AI crypto once again as the search interest has dropped by 64%, but we're still seeing bullish continuation for the majority of artificial intelligence crypto coins at the moment. Even though the searches are down, the market capital is rising. We can see here is a Google Trends analysis suggesting that, of course, less people are now searching for AI because it was a big hump and people just love to get on the bandwagon. When something is a hype, the trend is your friend, as they say. But we can actually see here, AI sector, this is AI coins now, has a valuation of $4.46 billion, which is a sector dominance of 0.4%. So in the future, we could see this number rapidly rise depending on the adoption and the integration of artificial intelligence in cryptocurrency and blockchain. So at the moment, Singularity Net, AGIX, we're going to look at today, man, it is up 15%. It's looking good at $547 million in terms of its market cap. And we can see it's now ranked 83. So it's definitely climbing up the crypto ladder. It's looking really, really bullish, in my honest opinion. It did have a bit of a downtrend to lows of 0.38, but we have just recently seen another bounce for this coin. So fingers crossed we can get some continuation. If you're new to the channel, guys, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway linked down below in my description and comments box. Please do join, because the winner will be announced in literally just, I think it's 3 days or something like that. Is it 3 days? 3 days, either Friday or Sunday, the winner will be announced. I'll probably make it a Friday. It's going to be a bit of fun, isn't it? So 5 of you guys will win $200 each. And yeah, guys, honestly, big things are happening in the market. China also injecting $92 billion into their economy. So, wild things could happen for crypto over the next few weeks. So watch this space. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here as well. Things are just looking really good. So Singularity Net has now broken 100,000 followers on Twitter. This is, of course, really big news as it shows that the community is growing more and more and more, and decentralized artificial intelligence crypto will continue to pump over the next few weeks and months. At least that is the speculation. Now, what actually is the Singularity Net ecosystem path? Well, Singularity Net's ecosystem of organizations is focused on creating an artificial general intelligence that will alter the course of history. To achieve this, the platform is developing AI services across multiple verticals, bringing benefits to a variety of industries. Singularity Net has established a decentralized and self-sustaining network of organizations that are driving the platform's success by providing guidance, funding, and expertise. So, of course, guys, they've got a really big vision, long-term goals, big mission statement as well. And I do think, Singularity Coin is going to be a real big pumper in the future. We can see this is the CEO, Dr. Bengiola, outlines the path to decentralized and beneficial AGI. How to avoid the future where the first super AGI is different to humans and just considers us an inefficient use of molecules. Oh my gosh, I mean, this is cool. I've seen this guy here before. I swear I've seen him many, many times, but that is the CEO right there. Dr. Ben Gertzel, I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I just butchered your surname there, but if I ever get famous, then we can always have a chat. So let's see, guys, let's see what can truly happen. AGIX coin at the moment, it pumped massively. It came up to a high of $0.66, and that is now a key level of resistance. So it did flirt around that level for a while. You can see it was now corrected, came down back to earth again. We can see from this swing low down here, swing high, it is hovering around that 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is a good area for potential reaccumulation. So what we'll do is we'll draw this area in, this kind of, let's call it a DCA sort of average zone, because we know this is the 0.618 Fibonacci. It came down below here before to 0.33 and has pumped since. Actually pumped twice. So here's the first pump, up 48%. Here is the second pump right here, which came up 24%, currently in a bit of a corrective phase once again. But we can see this looking like a classic sort of symmetrical triangle where we're getting that convergence, the swing high, swing low, swing high, and we're starting to form some diagonal resistances and supports here. So let's have a little look what's going on. Just turn this obnoxious music off as well. There we go. Let's have a little look. So let's join up these supports here, guys. The speculation is that we're going to still trade sideways for some time. And the speculation is that we will get a bit of consolidation here for AGIX Crypto. We can see, of course, we've got two key areas of resistance. We had a lot of sell-off here. We had a lot of sell-off here. So the speculation is, do we come back down? Do we come down to retest this support here at 0.39, then get some continuation to the top, and then get a breakout up to our bullish target, which is going to be on the 144 and the 1618. So let's check out the targets here, guys. If we do get a breakout we're going to be looking at probably $0.54 for AGIX coin. Looking at the RSI, it's not overbought on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, was overextended as we can see, which is probably why we got a bit of a correction there, because things were just getting overheated, a little bit euphoric, and that's what needs to happen, is a correction. So we can speculate that we might come down, retest 0.39 once again, and if it does happen, I might get myself in on a long position here and prepare for the next impulse wave to the upside. I think it's possible that we could retest 0.66 again and see some more bullish continuation in the markets. Guys, remember to get yourself in my Discord channel where we're looking at loads of leverage trading. We've got pre-sales alive at the moment. There are currently 3 pre-sales, which are coins that have not launched yet. They're also linked down below. We've got the general chat where you can learn loads of things about crypto and also mingle in with the community. And we've also got free chart channels and loads of other education that you can benefit from during this crypto winter. So please find yourself in my Discord down below. And here are the 3 live pre-sales. We've got C+ Charge, which is a carbon offsetting program which also allows you to produce carbon credits, but ultimately this is a blockchain solution to the electric vehicle sector. So of course Tesla, EVs are becoming very popular, but there's not much infrastructure on the road. So C+ Charge wants to fix that, allow you to earn crypto by charging your car and earn credits for doing so. So really cool. $1.3 million is raised for C+ Charge. The link is down below for this one. We've also got Fight Out. They've raised $4.4 million. One Fight token is $0.023 at the moment, and the listing price is 0.033. So it means it could go up by 50% by the time it gets deployed on those centralized exchanges, which is on the 5th of April, by the way, guys. So this is a move to earn Metaverse Web3 token. Super cool. Again, guys, link down below. Do your own research, due diligence. Of course, pre-sales are risky. All you need is a MetaMask wallet to get involved. And then we've got the Metaverse. Big sandbox like planet rebuilding world token. They've nearly raised $1 million, and I think it's a really cool token, this one. Robot Era. Basically, it's a planet rebuilding world. You play as a robot. You can explore NFTs, gather resources, build, interact with other players, augmented reality NFTs, and much more. So another very cool one. Of course, it's all speculation. We're in a bear market and do not risk more than you can afford to lose. But those 3 pre-sales are linked down below for you. Fear and Greed Index today, in terms of the crypto sentiment, we're now sitting at 60. So yes, the sentiment is flipping a bit bullish. People are starting to experience FOMO once again. And I imagine if this goes further and further into extreme greed, it'll just be more and more FOMO. It never ends. The same cycles of euphoria, same cycles of fear. They never end. And the thing is, human psychology never changes, and that's why it always works. Bitcoin price prediction. Well, at the moment, we are starting to form an ascending triangle here, which is a bullish continuation pattern. As you can see, significant support along this diagonal here. Trying to retest this now in the 24.6k levels, and also on the horizontal here we've got a lot of touching going on. So again, it's dancing around with this resistance at 25.2k, guys. If we do get a breakout here for Bitcoin, I think the speculation is going to be, if we take that kind of flagpole, we'll be seeing Bitcoin come to around $28,000. So I'm actually long on a position right now, but it doesn't mean it's definitely going to happen. However, I do speculate that 2618 target could be met at 28.4k. If not, we have got the more pragmatic targets down below on the 1414 and the 1618 at 26.4k right there, guys. So that's about a wrap with this video, to be honest. I mean, altcoins are taking a bit of a correction at the moment because the last week has been very euphoric. As we can see, everything is basically green, which is fantastic to see. I'm glad to see some of these tokens do really well. I'm glad that a lot of people did make some money. Remember, guys, if you're new to the channel, join the $1,000 Twitter giveaway. Get yourself into my Discord down below. Have a look at those 3 pre-sales if you want to kind of prospect the markets and also take a risky decision. Of course, not financial advice, but it could make you some good money. And last but not least, do consider becoming a patron to my channel, which is also plugged for you down below. If you want to unlock early access to pre-sales with inside info, get one-on-one trading signals, also have a bit of hand-holding through the crypto winter, all that's provided for you. We've got a great Discord, fantastic moderators. We've got a We've got a technical analyst in there. Got myself as well, providing signals and calls. Got a lot of talent in that Discord. So if you do want to join, got some budget-friendly options on the left. Also the VIP holder on the right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now.